have been a painter, could have studied law. Instead you are my paintbrush, you're my curriculum. Could have been a sailor, could have been an astronaut. Instead I drive for miles just to get to where you are. I saw you out in Leicester Square, thought about you in the shower. I paid to watch you stand up there and gave you all the power. You say she's a work of art.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today's gonna be really exciting because I'm gonna be sharing my beauty room and giving you guys a little bit of a tour. I've been wanting to film this video for so long, but I've just never gotten around to it. But I really hope you guys enjoy it. I've done a lot of things in here and it's just my pride and joy. So I love being up here. It's so cozy and bohemian-like. And I think I just never really wanted to give a tour because I just know it's unfinished. I don't really want to do all the things that I want to do to this room because I know we won't be here forever. We will be moving when I'm done with school, so I just don't really want to put a bunch of time and money and effort into this room knowing that I won't be here in the long run. But for right now, I think it's looking pretty cool in here, so I just wanted to share with you guys what it looks like currently. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this tour. So the moment that you walk in and go up the stairs into the room, I have this frame. It is from Ross and I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. I just could not help myself. And then once you go around the stairs to the other side around the corner, we just have my closet. It's actually pretty big and holds tons of stuff. It's just definitely full of random things, and then my clothes and storage for shoes and stuff like that. And then once you walk past the closet into the actual beauty room, off to your left hand side, I have my kind of cozy reading and nook corner, if that's what you want to call it. But this is my favorite part of the room. It's so beautiful. I will try and link everything that I can down in the description box for you if you guys are interested. I recently just picked up this bookshelf that's holding all of my books for school. It is seriously so cute and I am obsessed. And again, with the elephants, I'm sure you guys will see a couple throughout the room. Been really into elephants lately and I just think it's really pretty. I also just picked up this little poof from Amazon and I just love the color and I think it really helped tie this corner together. So if you guys are interested, I will have that linked down below as well. And for the rug, I believe this rug was from Rugs USA. And like I said, this bookshelf was from Amazon. I just picked this up and it was a really good addition to the room and I just absolutely love this corner. So if you guys are interested of anything in here, just check down in the description and I will have it linked. And moving on from the other side of my little reading corner, you guys can see this is my whiteboard. A lot of this is just practicing and just writing down things. I am a nursing student if you guys are new to my channel. And then to the right of that, I have my Ikea dresser. If you guys are wondering, I just switched out the knobs from the original and just picked some up on Amazon that I really liked. On top of the dresser, I just have some perfume and just a little bit of pictures from me and my family. And I have so much perfume, it's ridiculous. So as for the furniture in this corner, the storage unit on the left hand side I picked up off of the swap or Facebook swap, and I ended up refurbishing it, painting it and all that fun stuff. And then for my makeup vanity, I actually purchased that previously on Amazon, and when we moved to this house it got really scratched on the top, so I wanted to figure out a way where I could keep it without having to get something completely different. So I just did a wood design on top, hammered some nails into it, stained it, glossed it, and it turned out freaking amazing. And I actually did the same thing for my computer desk, which you guys will see in the future clips on here. But it just turned out awesome. And then as for the wall behind my makeup vanity, I did that myself. It's not wallpaper. Wallpaper is too expensive, so I did a little DIY project. I added some tape to the wall, dipped some cardboard into some black paint and stamped it into little lines, and it turned out great and I really like it. So here is my computer desk. So as you guys can see, I did the same thing for the top of this. The drawers are from Ikea. Those are the Alex drawers. And then I just measured how long I wanted my desktop to be and just cut out a piece of wood to the length of how long I wanted it to be, if that makes sense. On top of my desk, I just have my microphone, which I edit my videos with now. My printer, I have a little book holder, and then a pink Himalayan like lamp, some like amethyst stones or rocks, whatever you want to call them, a Bath and Body Works candle, some fake green leaves, and it's pretty much it on here. But it's really, really cute in here. Absolutely love it. It's very like boho themed, and then like still like that modern farmhouse type of look. But yeah, you'll have to let me know what you guys think.
Could have been a painter, could have studied law. Instead you want my paintbrush, you're my curriculum.
So my goal is to get a mirror for this corner. I had one previously, but I took it down to our spare bedroom. My goal is to buy a Hovet mirror from Ikea, but they're huge, and I just don't know if it will fit right there because of the slanted ceilings. But other than that, that is the rest of the tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love this room, and if you guys do too, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in some future videos. Bye!
You say she's a work of art.